The clothing we wear keeps us comfortable, protects us from the elements, defines our culture, and allows us to express our personalities and beliefs. But the modern fashion industry has a dark secret hiding in our closets. With rapidly changing trends, fast and cheap production, and disposable garments, the industry is taking a toll on the environment. Producing synthetic fabrics from materials like rayon, polyester, or lycra requires high energy and water use and produces carbon dioxide emissions, microplastic pollution, and tons of waste. Even a natural material like traditional silk, taken from the silkworm cocoon, is incredibly energy intensive to produce due to its reliance on high heat processing. And workers are often subject to terrible working conditions. But there's another animal that produces its own high-performance thread at room temperature, with only protein and water needed as inputs: the spider. Spider silk is one of the strongest and toughest biological materials on the planet. Imagine a spider catching a flying insect in its web is like a human-made net the size of a football stadium, strong enough to catch a 747 airplane. The team at Spintex wanted to mimic spider silk as a textile fiber. But first, they needed to understand how these amazing arachnids do it. Surprisingly, spiders store the silk in their bodies as a liquid gel. The gel, made of proteins and water, is shear-sensitive. This means it can transition into a solid through shear flow, a physical force without the need for heat or chemical inputs. The protein gel is pulled and stretched through increasingly tighter tubes called spinnerets. This helps the water molecules to release from the gel and stretches the shape of the proteins, allowing strong bonds to form and creating a solid thread. By creating a shear-sensitive protein gel and a uniquely biomimetic spinning mechanism, Spintex has developed a process that mimics a spider spinneret's ability to create a fiber from a liquid gel at room temperature without harsh chemicals. Just by pulling, they can create fine and tough silk-like thread that is produced 1,000 times more energy efficiently than creating plastic fibers. And water is the only byproduct. Inspired by a spider's elegant and efficient silk production, Spintex is looking to create the next generation of sustainable fibers for fashion and beyond.